Your drawing is amazing.
But I have to bring a page for draw.
No, not now. Any other time you can draw. I will just right after this call, I will share some picture with you. By seeing that picture, you can draw, and later on, you just have to share the picture of your drawing with me. So when you will share the picture of your drawing with me, I will further share your picture with the government because they are conducting that competition. So maybe you win. In case if you win, you will get some reward from them, some kind of award or certification. So that's a good opportunity. Okay. So okay. So to look at the screen and tell Alpha
Teacher,
to
every
come
time I
quickly.
draw 1 minute.
Oh, where
1
is
minute. I have
Alpha?
to tell my mom.
What you have to tell
She
her?
is saying something. 1 minute I have to mute.
You have to tell.
To
No, no,
tell my
no.
mom.
What are you going to tell her? What are you going to tell her?
Because I'm drawing a I'm drawing anything you're saying mean a computer is going on the Pakistan. I'm telling to her, my mom.
But you have to tell it right after this call, not now. Okay, not now. And tell Alpha to come quickly. Ask her. Can you call her, please?
Wait.
By sitting
I
here.
can.
Oh.
She's in washroom. She is
Okay,
in
okay, okay.
washroom.
No problem, no problem. Okay, so let's start. Let's start. Okay, what am I? Look at the screen, please. There are
Yes.
4 options. You have to look at these options carefully and you have to guess what I'm talking about. So what am I? I'm a device for talking. I come in many colors. I have a touch screen and I start with the letter I. So what is it? It's a riddle.
Input.
Input?
Input.
What is input?
You don't know a computer.
I am a device. I come in many colors. I have many colors. And I have a touch screen. And I start with the letter I. What is it? What is that thing which is a type of a device and which is available in many colors and it has a touch screen as well and it starts with letter I? It must be some device. What is device? Tell me clearly, quickly.
Wait.
What is device?
Device is a thing like tablet, cell phone.
Yes, and it is a device which has a touch screen,
Cell phone.
but it
Cell
starts with
phone.
letter I. It starts with letter I.
Which okay.
It starts with letter I.
Devices. Okay.
Yes, the name of the device. You have to guess the name of the device, which starts with I, and it has many colors and touch screen as well. So even if it's a cell phone, which cell phone is this? Which starts with I? I.
In phone.
I have never seen in phone. We are very near to the correct answer. You're almost close to the correct answer.
Phone.
Which one?
Phone.
Which one?
Cell phone.
But it starts with I.
Okay.
I start with I.
INPHONE.
iPhone.
Yes.
iPhone. Perfect. It's an iPhone.
I don't know how to work.
Yeah, it's an iPhone. It's an iPhone. Say it with me. iPhone.
iPhone.
Yes, it's an iPhone. Okay, next one. What am I? I'm a screen. I'm used in an office or at home. I'm very expensive. I start with the letter C.
Computer.
Computer. Yeah, you got it. Very nice. Amazing. Okay, so next one. What am I? I wash clothes.
Washing machine.
Lovely. Okay, so what am I? I am something that you carry on your shoulder. I use this to go for shopping. I carry my mobile, wallet and keys in it, and I start with the letter H.
Headphones.
No.
Headphone.
No. Do you take it for shopping? Do
No,
you carry
really.
your mobile, wallet and
What
keys
is-
on your headphones?
I don't know.
Which
one?
Do you carry your headphones on your shoulder?
The second, the third,
Okay.
we can follow it.
Arfa, let me explain you once again. What you have to do, you have to guess. You have to guess about the thing that I am talking about. So there are 4 points. By listening to these points and by taking care of these points, you have to guess the actual thing that I'm talking about. So what am I? What is this? What is the object that you carry on your shoulders and you go for shopping with it, and you carry your cell phone, your wallet and your keys into it, and it starts with the letter H.
And a wallet.
But wallet is very small. It's big in size, which starts with letter H. You're very close to it. You're very close to it. You're very close to it. What do we take for the shopping?
Wallet.
There is no word as wallet. I haven't heard any word like wallet. There's something which your mother carries for shopping while going to the superstore or for shopping mall on her shoulder, and she puts her mobile phone and keys.
Shopping page. Shopping book.
Yes, you are very close, but it starts with letter H. It starts with letter H. It's very easy. It's so easy. What is it?
Hat. A bag.
But it starts with letter H. It starts with letter H.
Who?
Handbag.
Handbag.
It's a
Wait,
handbag. Handbag. Okay, so you are close.
Handbag, and we cannot do anything.
Okay, so next one. What am I? I am big and small. I am very cold on the inside. I store food in it to keep it cold. It starts with the letter F.
Fever.
I'm big and small. I'm very cold on the inside. So something which is very cold from inside.
Snow.
But it stores food.
Fresh.
It
fresh.
stores food. It stores food in it to keep it cold. What is it which stores food in it?
Energy.
No, there's something at your home which is very big in size, and you store your food in it. And it's cold from inside.
Fridge.
Yes, it's fridge. Yes. It starts with the letter F. Freezer.
I said freezer. I cannot believe you.
Freezer.
Freezer.
Yes. Okay, so let's move towards the next one.
Teacher,
Okay.
do you know corona spelling?
Oh no, that's so difficult. I don't know. Oh, that's so difficult for me.
Corona is not Urdu. It's Urdu word. No, really. Okay. The corona spelling is CORONA.
Okay, so now let's come to the next question. Give me names of 5 famous persons in your country. 5 famous persons in your country.
What is famous?
Famous who are very
Small little girl.
non
Little woman. What? Small little woman. What?
Tell me the names of 5 famous persons in your country.
Anaya? Or Gia?
Anaya?
No, really? No, any like this, the small woman in the world.
Oh, what's her name?
It starts I don't know the name because
Okay, who
it's
is the king of Sodia?
Salman. Salman.
Yes,
Salman.
Salman. So he's he's the one person who is famous in your
I'm a
country.
queen and he is not a king.
Oh, yeah, you are
No,
a
you're
princess. You are a
Pakistani.
fairy. You are a princess. You are a little
No,
cute doll. You're a little cute doll.
you're
You're a princess.
I am not a Pakistani.
Okay, so tell me four more names of the famous persons in your country. One is Salman. Second, any other person, any poet, any famous singer, any actor, anyone who is famous in your country. Give me five names.
5 names.
Such as you have just named King Salman and okay, any other king if you know the previous king that you know or any other person who is famous, any singer, any
Lollipop. Lollipop.
what is lollipop?
Teacher, my
Lollipop.
mother still have laughing. No? Yeah. I can see it laughing.
Give me five famous food in your country. Now that's something easy. Now you are expected to give me answer.
Fish.
Okay.
Meat. Bread.
Bread, okay.
I can tell.
Yeah.
Meat. Bread.
No. Speciality of like special food, famous food in Saudi Arabia. What is the famous food in Saudi Arabia? What do Arabs eat? What do Arab eat?
Fish.
They eat fish. They like fish. But there is something. Some sort of kava, some sort of green tea, which they like most. There is some different type of green tea which they like most.
No, tea.
Yeah, the tea is very different, and they do like it. So what do Arabs
Do
eat?
you know? One day, our dad was in. Our dad was with our dad was in her cheeks. Out. No, our dad was in her nose. Like a clown.
Okay, your dad was what?
Our dad was in our house, and our mother said to go out. Then we go out. Then
Your mother asked him to. But your mother asked.
then
Your mother asked him to take you out. Your mother asked him. No. Wait a minute. No. You can't proceed till you correct your last sentence. Your mother asked you. Your mother asked him to take you out.
But he said I want to tea. Then my mother
Go out, not teach out.
Then my mother
Take
made a
out.
tea, but it was a green tea, and she also ate a green tea.
No,
Oh.
eat. Green tea is a eat. Food. Tea. Eat. Green tea is a drinks. Not food. Which we eat. We eat drinking like this. This is water. Water. We bite it around.
Can't
No.
liquid.
We don't
It's liquid. Whatever is in liquid form, you drink it. And whatever is in solid form, you eat it.
No. No. Water is
Okay.
liquid.
Be quick. Give me 5 activities to do during the week. Give me, be quick. 5 activities. Name 5 activities that you name.
Exercise, running, jogging, basketball.
And crying. Do you cry? Do you cry? I also cry sometimes. I also cry sometimes.
Why?
When I'm
No, she
sad. When I'm sad or I'm hurt, so I'm also a human being.
Some people when they are a girl,
No,
then
you're a big girl.
Yeah, but
You're a woman.
emotion.
And
No, I'm not a woman. I'm a girl.
boy
I'm a
and they're
girl.
talking. Okay, if they're a boy and the boy is talking to another girl and the boy and the boys not the girl and the boys now love, then the girl is kissing to another boy, then another boy comes and he said, oh my god, is she on me? Then he said he is crying like that.
No, that's the bad word.
No,
Bad word.
in Pakistan it is not allowed, and we are Muslim. It's haram. Oh my God, it's haram. Yeah.
Yes, it's bad words.
Yeah,
It's-
some
yeah.
people Indian
Non-Muslim.
people
No.
and people's
Some Indian.
kids.
No, some Indian people are non-Muslim, some are Muslims.
Yeah, and some
But it's
are
not allowed in Islam. Muslims don't do this.
India, people are like love, then they kiss.
No.
They're so disgusting.
It's haram.
It
Why
is They're
In
so
which movie? In
Why
which
you
movie have
telling-
you seen this? In which movie have you seen this? Which movie?
I don't know. I don't
No.
know.
But you might would have seen. You know, yeah, you might would have seen. You might would have seen it in movies. But let me tell you one thing. You know, this is something happens in
Haram.
movies only. In
Haram.
Islam, for Muslims, it's haram. So Muslim
What
girls
does
are not allowed to be in a relationship with
You know,
boys because
I
this.
like boys dress, but I don't like boys. I don't like to talk with them because they're so not good
Disgusting.
for us. But I don't like dress because it is so disgusting. I don't like dresses.
Oh,
I
you don't
only
like it?
like that.
She like pink.
Oh,
Nope,
you
I
like
hate
pink?
it. I
But
hate
you-
pink.
She
The
has pink
shirts.
trouser and a pink
Oh,
pouch
no.
like this color, pink
because-
pouch.
This is
And
navy blue. This is navy blue.
Pink,
No,
Navy
because
blue.
teacher said to it and also.
It's
Okay,
navy blue. It's navy blue. Give me 5 foods you eat during the week. Give me 5 foods that you ate during the week. Last week. What did you eat last week? The entire
noodles.
week. What did you
Not
eat?
noodles. It is.
Be quick,
I
be
think
quick.
it is
What did you eat last week?
kebab. No kebab. No
No,
kebab.
what did you eat
Kebab.
yesterday? What did you eat yesterday?
I think
Noodles. Yes,
No,
remember
no.
Oh,
it.
you ate noodles. Perfect.
And
a day.
Yogurt. Yogurt. You ate yogurt. You ate yogurt.
No curry.
We ate
Oh,
curry.
I ate curry today. I love it. My mom created and it's
We
lovely.
also make a curry and we eat it.
And you love it. You like it.
And the different curry.
I don't like curry because the curry is so made
One time I was eating a curry, and the curry.
Curry.
And then
And what is it made of? And what is it made of?
it made of yogurt.
And do you like it? Both of you like it? we are
Yes.
we are acting so silly today.
God.
Three of us are acting so silly today.
Because is yogurt so disgusting?
No, because I
Yogurt is
don't
disgusting.
No,
Okay, what is that your
I
mother
don't-
makes best?
No,
What is that?
When one time our father
My
was
mother-
when our father
wait.
Okay, it's okay. One by one. Okay, one by
Okay.
one. Yeah.
First me.
Okay, I will tell. Okay, any, mini, miny, mo. Okay, it's Aksa's turn. Okay, go on, Aksa.
I'm just. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Are you? Oh, you really? No. Roy, slap
Okay,
me her.
Aksa's turn.
free.
Yes, Aksa, go on. Yes, Aksa, go on. So,
She said.
what is that your mother makes best and you love it?
I will.
Yeah, go on.
She said slap to the food.
What? I didn't get
The
it. I
food.
didn't get it.
She said Sam to the food. Slap like, don't say funny thing. No, she
Slap.
said.
No, you can't get it. This is something far away from you, so you can't get to see.
Yes.
But just
One time
something
I
is so
see a
something.
picture.
My mouth
One
farting.
time I see a picture. I have to.
Yes, yes, you go on, go on.
My favorite food is noodles, and I like macaroni. Alpha most no, that's mine. You tell yourself. I like. I think I like the middle food, middle on the screen.
Kebab.
The brown
It's
one.
kebab and some rice out there. It's a
I
spicy.
hate.
Oh, you like
I
kebabs?
hate.
You like
I
kebabs?
hate kebabs. The other one. I hate this one like this
it's-
brown color.
these are
I
seed
love this
kebab.
kebab. I love kebab, and I was
Oh.
say to you if you don't.
And my mouth
I
is
like-
watering, and the water is dripping out of my mouth, and I am feeling so hungry, and I want to eat it out.
Can you show me? Can you show me the water?
This is
Can
so and I'm in.
In real
It's
life-
tempting. It's tempting, and it's mouth
One
watering.
time I was sleeping way long away, and then oh my god, come. One time I was sleeping very long time. Then I was sleeping. I was doing about the way tasty food. Then my water come down.
Oh, it was dripping off your mouth.
No, it's
The water was
not.
dripping
You're not
off your mouth.
touching my book. Then
Okay.
I was watching. When I wake up, I was shocked because
When you got
I was
up.
trying
When
and
you-
ouch! What the?
When you got up, water was dripping out of your mouth. Okay, listen, fairies. Not tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. It's your
Okay.
weekend, okay? So it's your weekend. So what you have to do on your weekend, you have to prepare a very nice story. It must be somewhat silly, funny, and but there must be some conclusion. And you are not allowed to read it out from your notebook. So okay, so make a story till your next class. Enjoy your weekend, go out, have fun, play around, and
You know, I have a song, but it is so scary. So
what
annoying.
is, but you have but
It,
it's
what is like ding ding dong. This one. Not this one. This is one.
which one?
This one.
I can't see anything or hear anything. I can't see or hear anything.
You can hear the voice. That is the song, but it is not the song. We have role, and she's moving, grabbing the table.
I can't see you and I can't hear you properly. Okay, my back is aching and I'm so deadly tired right now because I had a very long day today. So I'm going now. We'll continue the day after your weekend, okay? So till then, take care. Love you. Bye bye. Give me high five. Give me high five. Here, yes. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Jesus slap. Bye bye. He's